tatanungin ko, ano ba yung concerns ninyo sa katawan?
Laging masakit yung back.
Laging masakit yung back.
Especially yung
Saan?
lower back.
Lower?
Lower
Okay.
back.
Sa middle ba?
Middle,
Or
yeah.
tapos?
Tsaka yung sa shoulder.
Sa shoulders, upper
Yes.
traps muscles. Okay. Good morning, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Now, welcome sa clinic natin. Kasama natin si Ma'am
Cory.
Ma'am Cory. Okay, so Ma'am Cory, hindi ko natatanong yung edad, ano? Pero tatanungin ko, ano ba yung concerns ninyo sa katawan?
Laging masakit yung back.
Laging masakit yung back.
Especially yung
Saan?
lower back.
Lower?
Lower
Okay.
back.
Sa middle ba?
Middle,
Or
yeah.
tapos?
Tsaka yung sa shoulder.
Sa shoulders, upper
Yes.
traps muscles. Okay. Gaano ito kangalay from 1 to 10? 10 yung pinaka-highest.
Almost 8. Ano siya?
Almost 8?
8. Oo.
Okay. Ano yung pinaka-worst na naramdaman nyo?
Yung parang hindi na ako makatayo. Kasi sobrang sakit na talaga.
Nagkaroon ba kayo ng times na nagkaroon na kayo ng headache? Ganyan?
Yes.
Mhm.
Most of the time.
Most of the time?
Yeah, my headache.
So,
Tsaka yung may popping sound sa
Sa
ears,
ears?
oo,
Okay.
na hindi ma-address
Mhm.
for very long time. Kaya sabi ko,
Kailan pa yan?
matagal na yun.
tagal na.
Oo.
Popping sound, hindi tining sound.
Pati yung tining, may gaganon.
Okay, so that's what we call ay tinnitus, okay? So ngayon, ay si Ma'am Cory ay tutulungan natin para at least makarecover yung kanyang buong katawan, especially yung muscles stress or ngalay palagi, okay? Once na meron ng mga ganitong pakiramdam, ang nangyayari sa ating muscles ay nagkakaroon ng signal or defense mechanism sa ating katawan to signals us or warning us. Message us na there's something wrong. Yan, ganyan. So, you have to do something to help me. Ganon. So, yung katawan natin ay nagsasabi ng ganon sa atin para matulungan mo mismo yung sarili mo to improve. Yan. So, kapag nakakaramdam na tayo ng mga ganon, ay pahinga kailangan.
Yes.
Okay? At you have to be aware sa kung ano yung dapat mong gawin talaga
Yes.
para matulungan yung katawan mo. Kasi ang normal na ginagawa ng katawan natin inside is regenerate or repairing.
Yeah,
Tama?
tama.
So, meron tayong kakayahang mag-regenerate. Yan, yung katawan natin ay may kakayahang mag-heal itself. Itong gantong klaseng therapy, what we call na resetting and recovery. Sa resetting of your deformations, if ever meron man, deformation ng alin? Ng ating spine.
Meron.
Okay? Or, merong mga something else na merong history. Tapos yung recovery is recovery mismo ng ating muscles right away. Okay? So, magkakaroon naman tayo ng physical examination. Okay? Para at least makita natin yung mga root cause. Okay? Yun yung root cause na yan ay yung mismong ifo-focus natin para at least ma-release natin lahat ng tension at makarecover right away. Okay? Sa muscles, ay it depends kung magkakaroon tayo ng muscle releasing. Kasi meron tayong tinitignan na dalawang bagay which is our muscle knots or buhol-buhol na muscle fiber at saka knuckle muscles or bukol-bukol na muscle fiber. If ever man na meron kang spasm na or naninigas or nagkakaroon ng inflammation dahil sa lahat ng nangyayari sa iyong spine. So if ever man na wala naman na ganun, okay, lahat ng ginagawa nating releasing ng tension with our spine and joints, okay, lahat ng muscle support ay makaka-recover naman agad. Okay? Physical examination.
Yes.
Ready ka na?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay? So, go posture up. Yan. Okay? I will see the sound. Okay, very good. So, mamaya ay magkakaroon naman tayo ng manual assessment sa buong spine mo para makita natin kung meron mang development na scoliosis or misalignments. Okay, very good. Sige, tingin sa left. Tingin sa right. Saan yung masikip? Sa tingin mo?
Sa left side.
Sa left side?
Yeah.
May something
May,
else?
may parang pull na muscle.
Sige, ngayon, tingala. Ayan, ang normal is about 45 degrees. Right there, dapat. Okay, kamusta yan?
Masakit na
Masakit sa banda?
Sa right.
Here?
Sa yeah.
Tapos, saka dito?
Ah.
Okay, sige, down. Ngayon, yuko. Ipupush kita ha. Sabihin mo kung may connection na hanggang dito. Here?
Meron. Masakit.
Saan banda?
Parang
More of
hindi.
here.
Oo.
Okay? Dito hanggang dito.
Yes.
So, ito na yung pinaka-sign na nagkakaroon ng imbalance support yung ating muscles at unstable yung ating buong spine. Kaya nagkakaroon ng connection between those spine. So, may tinitignan tayong deformation which is development ng scoliosis or maraming misalignment. Yan. Okay? Ngayon, titignan natin ang iyong shoulders. Here, that's one. All the way up. Dikit sa tenga. How was it?
Masakit. Parang
Saan
yung
banda?
hindi ko siya... Parang
May
wala.
taas ng gusto.
Oo. Parang
Okay.
may full back yung...
Masikip.
Yes.
Down. Saan yung masikip? More on shoulders?
Oo, shoulders
Here,
na
saka
sa
ito.
dito. sa
Rhomboid.
baba.
Okay, here. Go all the way up. Ilagpas this time sa tenga. Okay.
May pull pa. Same sa
Same.
sides. Saka, yun nga, yung dito.
Okay.
Sa shoulder.
Sige, down. Okay? This one. Yan. Check natin yung lateral muscles sa inyong lower back at saka rhomboid. Twist. Stay. Yan. Kamusta ito? On your own.
Masakit.
Saan banda?
Yung
Here?
right. Yeah. Papunta
This
sa
one?
gitna. Yeah.
Papunta dito?
Yes.
Pero ang pinaka-normal is about dapat dito. Ayun.
Masakit pa.
Gano'n siya kasakit from 1 to 10?
Nasa 5. Kasi may something, may pain. may pain na.
Sige, kabila. Ayan.
Hindi na kaya. Ito lang.
Hindi na kaya. Okay? So, more of diagonal. So, at least,
Actually,
nakaganito tayo.
Nagka-cramps na yung
Ayan. Stand
left.
down. Saan banda?
Ito.
Oh, relax, relax,
Nagka-cramps na
relax.
siya.
Stand up. Tignan naman natin ang inyong lower back. Here. Go. Back bend. Wow! Sige, up. Kamusta ito? Medyo okay naman.
Medyo okay, pero
Very good.
may konting ano lang.
Nice. Ngayon, forward bend. Okay? Wait
May-
lang ha. Check natin. Up ng konti.
Ah.
Yan. Okay. Right there. Okay, I will manually check this one.
Ow. Masakit.
Masakit ito?
Yes.
Yan. When I push this one with my ring finger,
Masakit.
I'll...
May pain.
Ito, nagko-connect, no, nagkakaroon ng kuryente sa aking kamay. Here.
Yan, may pain.
Here.
Yan,
Pain.
meron.
So, we have misalignment right here.
Yeah.
Development of mild scoliosis of your lumbar. Here. So, dito na. More of para right side. Up ng konti. Yan. Okay. So, right there. Misalignment with your lumbar 3.
Yan. Ow.
And 4. Here.
Sakit.
5. Okay. Curve with your lumbar 2 and 1 hanggang dito sa thoracic. Okay, so at least 4 to 6 degrees. Okay? Yun lang naman. Pero kailangan lang nating maayos. Up ng konti. Stay. Ouch. How's this?
Meron.
Ang sakit.
Yes.
Okay? Nakuryente ako.
Meron.
Here. This one. Masakit.
Dun
Up
lang.
ng konti. Last one. Here.
Yan.
Uy, meron
Meron.
din to.
Meron.
When I press
Yan.
this one.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, mataas na yung stress with your misalignment.
Sa likod.
Marami na.
Marami na.
Okay? So, this is the development of kyphosis din. Kyphosis is excessive forwarding.
Yes.
Dahil medyo nakalayo na yung iyong...
Yes. Kasi napapansin ko din parang gano'n.
Yeah, yung iyong...
Parang naka-forward yung-
Yes, cervical number 7,
Yeah.
6, and 5. Okay? Hindi na rin masyadong pumapantay sa iyong skull,
Yeah,
which is
yeah.
here, nandito. Ayan, dapat medyo papasok natin yan ng konti mamaya.
Okay.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay? Para magpantay
Pantay.
sa iyong skull. Yan, dapat. Okay? Sit down.
Yeah.
Ready ka na ba?
Ready na.
Okay, hindi ka naman takot.
Hindi.
Very nice. Okay? So ngayon, ganito yung una nating i-check, which is our lower back. But first, here. Pipindutin kita ha. Okay? Titignan natin yung lahat ng muscles mo. Posture up. How's this?
May tension.
Saan banda? Right or
Pareho.
left?
Pareho.
Parehas.
Yes.
Okay? This one, acromion. Pain?
Onti lang.
Unti lang. So last is right here. How's this?
Ayan.
Right or left?
Pareho.
Parehas.
Yes.
Okay? So later on, check natin ulit lahat ng yan. So right side more of here. Wait lang ha.
Yan, may pain.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay? So we'll open up this one.
Up.
Here.
Ay, masakit.
Here. Gaano siya kasakit? From 1 to 10.
Nasa 10.
10.
Masakit.
Wow. Okay?
Yeah.
Sige. So, alisin na natin yung pinaka-general technique. So, this kind of procedure is an advanced technique with focus on your lumbar, especially sa lower side. Here. Okay? This one. Hug yourself. Right over left. Relax ang shoulder. Yan. This one. Okay? This time, I open your ribs. Yan. Okay. Mas lower. And forward ng konti. Yan. Okay? So, I will hold this one. Hold this one. And twist you. Okay? Relax ang shoulder. Yan. Yuko ka. Okay? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Inhale again. Exhale. Open yung ribs. Good one. Open and forward. Okay, yuko. Yun. Relax mo yung shoulders mo. Right there. I will hold this one. Good. Ready? Good. Inhale again. Exhale. Nice. That's it. Kamusta so far?
Parang may, alam mo yung may natanggal na something.
So next is your middle side. Yan. Good. Harap ka na ulit doon. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay this one, sa gitna. Hawak ka sa batok mo. Yan. Up ng konti. Yan. Pero ito, lulusot ko dito. Here, sa gitna tayo ng iyong thoracic spine. Okay? Baba ang siko. I-lock mo yung siko mo. Yan. Close mo ng konti. Okay? Sige. Ready? Go. Inhale. Exhale. Higa ka sa legs ko. Good. One again. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. How is it?
Parang nag-move na. Nag-move na yung likod.
Nag-move na. Okay. So ngayon, after this one and this one, pupunta na tayo sa iyong junction ng thoracic 1 and cervical 7 hanggang 5. So ito yung nagiging tense or nagkakaroon ng cause bakit hindi ka makatingala ng
Maayos.
Ngayon, dadapa tayo. So ito yung una nating i-check with this one. Here, I will push this one. Ito mismo yung kukunin natin, ha? Here. Yan. Okay, sige, relax mo yung shoulder mo. Ito yung ipupush ko sa baba. Sa taas. Here. Okay? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Okay, so sobrang tight.
Tight. Yeah.
Right there. Okay. Hold up. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Okay. Here. Right there. Right again. This one. Ribs. Okay. So, ibang technique. Now, sit down there. Right there in the middle. Yan. Sige. Right over left again. Yep. Yuko. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Ready? Inhale. Yuko. Exhale. Okay. Super tight. Sige, open na open. Yan, dito tayo sa upper side. Parang here. Yan, hawak sa kamay ko, sa batok mo. Ibaba ang siko. Yan. Ito yung malalim na part. I-lock mo yung siko mo. Lock. Sige, go. Lock. Good. Sige. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Nice. So, ngayon, higa. Dito muna tayo. Relax. This one. Check natin, ha?
Yeah.
Here. Okay, so very good naman at hindi na-compromise yung inner hip joint to the point na hindi nagiging pantay talaga yung paa or merong mataas or merong mababa na isa. Okay? Pero ito ay pantay naman. Okay, nakita ko naman sa lakad mo ay okay naman yung pinaka-rotation and movement ng paa at saka tuhod. Pero ang pinaka nararamdaman mo with this
Sa likod.
yung pelvis mo talaga.
Lower back.
Yes. Okay?
Yeah.
Sige. Relax. So, marami tayong areas dito sa paa
Hmm.
or sa foot kasi maraming buto here. So, first is your metatarsal right there. Relax. Clear. Lower. Clear again. Navicular bone. Here. This one. So, next with your talus here. Relax. Okay, clear. Next is for your cuboid. So first is here. Turn. This one. Upper, upper, upper. Relax mo yung iyong legs. Right there.
Ah.
Nice. Next is for your heel. Yan. So ngayon, i-connect naman natin sa iyong pinaka-inner hip joint and pelvis. Alright? So I will turn in. Okay? Sige, relax mo lang ito. Para siyang lupay-pay pa. Here, hold it. Wait. Ako here. Good. Hold it. Good. Nice. Balakang. Clear. Navicular bone. Clear. So, very normal yung movement. Natapilo ka na dati, hindi pa?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Like this.
Oh.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay? So, cuboid.
Yeah.
So, ito yung pinaka nagiging problem at history noon. Okay?
Yes.
That's one. Heel. Yan. Sige. Relax. Ako magta-turn in. Turn in. Nice. Good.
Yeah. Nawala yung parang pressure niya doon sa baba.
Here. Relax. Clear. Good. Turn in. Good. Last one. This is for your groin and cross with your pelvis.
Pelvis.
Hanggang doon sa kabila.
Sabi lang siya.
Relax ito. Nice. Here. Turn in. Here. Good. Open. Yan. Relax ito. Nice one. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay dapa ka ulit. So, this is for your lower inner hip joint, pubic bone, and your upper junction, lumbar 5 and S1. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
S1. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Sige, diretso yung tuhod. Engage yung puwetan. Go up. Sige, diretso yung tuhod.
Masakit.
Yeah, wait. Sige. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go up. Yan. Good. Okay. Very clear. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is iliac crest na tinatawag right there. Okay?
Yeah.
Taas mo ito. Yan, taas.
Mm-hmm.
How is it?
Masakit.
Mabigat?
Yes.
Okay? May ngalay dito?
Meron.
Kabila. Kamusta?
Meron. Parang nanginginig siya. Kasi,
Nanginginig?
Oh.
At mabigat?
Yes.
Okay. Here. Ako magbubuhat, ha? Sige. Yung exhale ay nakakatulong. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Yeah. Okay, this is the power stretch. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Relax ang siya. Good. Nice. Okay. Sige, relax. Inhale. Exhale. Clear. Good. Ready? Inhale. Exhale.
Ow.
Again. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Clear. Clear. Good. Okay. When I push this one,
Yeah. Masakit.
back
Yeah.
here. Okay. Going up. Push it and pull. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Alright. Inhale. Exhale. Number last two. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Here. Right here. Sige, relax lang. Inhale. Exhale. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Down, down, down. Okay? Yeah, so rib out tayo. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Good one. Okay, so very clear. So rib joint. Right there. Inhale again. Exhale, push it. Good. Okay, so very clear. Right there. I'll push this one down. Okay?
Oh.
Ready? Inhale. Exhale.
Ah.
You pinch. Sakit.
Masakit.
1.
Masakit. Masakit.
Here.
Medyo nabawasan na.
Here.
Medyo nabawasan na.
So more of S.
Yeah.
1 at saka lumbar 5.
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah. Okay? So
Yeah.
ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay tigasan yung puwet, tapos pigilan mo yung pag-open ko. Yan, sige, good. Pigil, pigil pa. Yan, sige pa. Pigil pa. Good one. Good one. Okay. Good. So next natin is for decompression ng lumbar spine at yung mismong ating sacroiliac joint. Okay? Sige. Higa ka na ulit. So ang kukunin natin which is our sacroiliac joint and the pelvis itself. Alright? Sige. Huwag magtitira ng hangin sa tiyan. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Again, inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice.
Yeah.
Naramdaman mo ito?
Yes.
Okay. Good one. Right there. Ready?
Yeah.
Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale again. Exhale. Good. Nice. First decompression of your lumbar spine. Okay? Sige. So when you exhale, let it out lahat. Magalupay-pay lahat. Okay? Tapos relax mo yung buong katawan. Alright? Tapos hawak ka lang sa akin. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Inhale. Exhale. Hawak, hawak, hawak.
Oh.
Good. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Let it out. Let it out. Good. Inhale again. Exhale. Let it out. Naramdaman mo siya. So, dito tayo sa iyong wrist or carpal bones. So, here.
Tumutunog na.
Okay? So, check natin yung pain. Okay? Here. Push it. Sakit na. Check natin yung power. O, grip ka ngayon. Okay?
Yan.
Grip. Mahina ng konti. Okay?
Yan.
Sige, check na. Nice.
Actually, bali yan. No?
Saan?
Yan. Kasi na-twist siya.
Ito?
Oo.
Na-twist ng gusto.
Yes.
Paano na ibalik?
Wala. Hinayaan ko na.
Ano nangyari na? Anong ginagawa mo?
Yung baby. So, naglikot siya.
Tapos sinabol mo.
Oo. Para hindi malaglag. Wow.
Okay? Sige, babalik natin into place with your carpal bones. Here. Relax ang elbow. Clear sa ilalim. Right there. Last one. Middle. Clear out. And then, push it. And nice. Very good. And then, our elbow. Relax ang elbow. Clear. Good. Twist it. Clear. Lower. Good. So, very clear naman. Ngayon, check natin yung pain. Okay? Relax. Push it 1. Push it 2.
Konti.
3.
Konti. Hindi na siya
Konti.
masyado.
Kanina, onti yun.
Ganun lang,
Push
masakit
lang,
na.
ay masakit na.
Masakit na.
O, ngayon ay grip. Good.
So,
Sige, grip tayong dalawa. See? Okay. Meron konti. Here. Check natin yung pain. This one. How's this?
yan.
May pain. Yan. Okay? Grip.
Mas,
Mahina.
hindi.
Ganito dapat.
Yan.
Okay. Sige. Release natin. Good. Nice. Good.
Ah.
Nice. Okay. Here. Here. Last one sa middle.
Ah.
Nice. Relax. Nice. This one.
Yan. Wala.
Wala na.
Wala.
Okay. May pain ba?
Wala.
Okay. Elbow. Relax. Here. Clear again. Right here. Clear. Last one. Elbow down. Clear. Very nice. Ngayon ay pain. Let's see. This one. Push 1. Push 2. Push 3.
Live lang.
Konti. So at least normal na. Kasi yung pinaka-normal na dapat ay pinakasagad ay konting merong pain dapat. Alright? Pero yung push 1 and 2 ay good.
Wala ganda.
Check natin. See?
Mas
Meron pa?
wala.
Wala nang tumutunog.
Wala.
Ngayon ay grip. Nice. See? Nice. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa iyong cervical spine. Here. So, ang pag-check ng ating cervical spine ay sa ating mga trigger points. Here, cervical 1.
Meron.
Masakit?
Meron.
Number 2.
Meron.
Masakit din? Number 3.
Ay, meron.
Number 4.
Ah.
Aha, number 5.
Hindi. Yan.
masyado.
Meron. Hindi masyado.
1.
Hindi.
Hindi masyado. Number 2.
Ayan.
Number 3.
Ayan.
Number 4.
Ayan.
And 5.
Yan. Medyo.
Okay. Sige. Ngayon, ipupwesto natin ng maayos bago tayo mag-release ng tension. Okay? Push this one. And position with your cervical 1 and cervical number 3 to open those 3. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Nice. Ipupush ko ito. Yan. Sige, ako magpupasto. Mas ipupush ko ito. Papunta doon. Okay? Here. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Okay, so ito ay more of black. Yeah. Same. So what we're going to do is a decompression. So this time, inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Stretch number 1. I will check those rotation and lateral movement. Very nice. So, very loose. Kapag gaganon, ay light lang yung kailangan nating persa. But, we have to bounce it. So, ang kailangan lang natin ay mas light at iba-bounce. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Very nice. Good.
Yeah. Hanggang ba?
Relax. So, ngayon, focus na tayo sa muscle recovery. How is it? Any pain?
Yeah.
Good. I-check na natin ulit. Pipindutin na natin ulit ha.
Okay.
Sabihin mo kung may pain ka. Sige. Cervical number 1, how's this? See? Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And 5.
Sobrang konti.
A little.
Yan.
Here.
Sobrang konti.
Okay? Right there.
Yan.
This one. Here.
Yan.
Nothing. Here.
Yan.
And here. Okay. This one. 1. Number 2.
Wala.
Number 3.
Wala.
Number 4.
Wala.
And 5.
Wala.
Good. Nice. How's the difference?
Sobrang
Good. So, last, sit down na tayo for your rotator cuff and ears. Okay?
Okay.
Mas magaan?
Oo.
Okay. Kamusta yung pakiramdam ng pelvis mo this time?
Parang
Pantay na ba?
Oo. Parang ano siya. Alam mo yung may something kasi na tight. So, parang kasi parang nararamdaman mo pag hindi siya pantay.
Okay.
So, ngayon parang...
Parang nakalapat na.
Oo. Hindi na siya ganun.
Good.
Gaya nung...
Nice. Okay? So ngayon, ay hawak sa bewang. Yan. I will push you forward. Pigilan mo ako. Okay? Sige. Push it. Ready? Pigil. Go, lakas. Lakas pa. Lakas pa. Go. Yung. Good. Kabila. Ready? Go. Lakas. Lakas pa. Lakas pa. Lakasan mo pa. Okay. Very firm.
Good.
Here, stretch natin pataas. Nice. Okay? And here. Alright. So, upper side again. Here, yuko ka. Relax mo itong iyong kamay. Relax. Good. Relax ang shoulder.
Ah.
Nice. Turn in. Good. Push it. Nice. Okay. Good. Last one here. Alright. Relax. Elbow. Yuko. Good. Nice one. Okay. Last is for your ears. Here. Ayan. Relax mo yung elbow. Good one. Relax. Elbow down. Good. Nice. Okay. This is the sensitive part of our ears. To make it connected sa ating eardrum. So, sa nerve here. 2. Para makakonekta sa ating eardrum. Okay? And push it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. Kamusta?
Lumakas.
Lumakas yung pandinig.
Ayan. Parang nawala yung parang medyo, parang bara.
Tinatawag natin ng plugged ears.
Oo.
Mamaya, ay magre-recommend ako ng mga exercises kung video ko. Okay? Sige. So, Rock Nation, hello again, and we're done with Ma'am.
Corey.
Okay, so Ma'am Cory, kamusta ang ating procedure ng therapy?
Ano na, sobrang nag-loosen up yung body. So, kanina pagdating ko, parang lahat tight. So, ngayon, alam mo yung ang sarap na ng likod mo. Tapos, yung pag gumagalaw ka, yung wala ng pressure na parang may pumipigil sa movement. And yun nga, yung sa ears.
Very
sobrang ang laki ng difference. Tapos yung sa chest.
Good.
Kasi may pressure na rin kasi sa side, sa ribs part. So, akala mo magkakasakit ka. Pero, ngayon, parang nag-loosen up.
Lumuwag.
Oo. Tsaka
Good.
yung i-highlight ko lang yung difference kasi I had done this before, di ba? So, after nun, para akong, alam mo, nabugbog. Ngayon, hindi eh. Loosen yung pakiramdam na
Very
magaan.
good. Mas magaan ngayon.
Oo. Mas
Okay.
malaki yung difference talaga.
Nice. Ngayon, ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng physical examination. Ready ka na?
Yes.
Yan. Posture up. Yun. Okay. Turn to your left. Yan. Turn to your right. How is it
Galikad
now?
na. Hanggang
Sagad na.
medyo likod na.
Ngayon, ay posture up again. Tingala. Nice. How is it now?
Wala nang...
Hindi na kita kailangan
I-liad.
kasi andito ka na sa 45 degrees extension. Yan. How is it?
Wala na yung mga pulls na, yung masakit. Yung hanggang
Okay.
likod.
Sige. Good. Ngayon ay niyuko kita kanina.
Yes.
Sige, yuko ka ngayon. Pupush kita ha. Kanina may connection with this and sa lower.
Wala.
How is it now?
Wala na.
Very
Wala
nice.
na yung hila.
Good. Kanina ay onting push pa
Masakit.
lang ay
Masakit na
connected na kaagad.
likod.
Very good. So ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin ay yung shoulders. Here. Yan. Go. All the way up. Dikit sa tenga.
Wala.
Nice.
Wala na yung pull.
Good.
Yan.
Mabigat pa?
Hindi na.
Good. Masikip?
Hindi.
Good. Down. O, ngayon, harap. Ilagpas sa tenga.
May
Wow.
pero, malayo sa kanina.
Okay. Good. Go. Twist. Ooh. Okay. So, hindi natin masyado. Oh, ito na. Right there. How's this?
Mas better.
Mas better.
Oo.
Sige, down. Kabila. Correct. Good. So, kanina ay dito siya. Wait. Andito. Ngayon, sige, ikaw. Go, push it. Yan. So, right here dapat. Nagka-cramps pa?
Medyo. May konti.
May
pero,
konti pa.
okay naman.
Good. Pero, happy ka naman.
Sobra.
Thank you so much for trusting.
Yes.
Okay? You're very happy.
Sobra. Sobra.
Thank you so much.
Oo, sobra.